Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So my friend, have you ever thought, I know many words, but I can't make sentence? So don't worry. In this video, this is one of the most common problem for the English learner. So the good news is, you don't need difficult grammar to make English sentence. You only need a few simple steps. So today I will teach you 5 easy rules that will help you make English sentence confidently. So let's get started. Rule number 1. Start with simple sentence. Don't try to speak long and difficult sentence. Start with short and simple one. For example, I'm happy. She is a teacher. They are student. Simple sentence. Build confidence. When you become comfortable, you can make a longer sentence easily. Okay. Rule number 2. Learn basic sentence pattern. Most English sentence follow simple pattern. Here are 3 easy pattern. Okay. I plus verb plus object. Example, I eat rice. I eat chapati. C reads book. B play cricket. Another pattern. Subject is are plus adjective. He is busy. The weather is nice. I'm tired. Practice this pattern every day. Okay. Rule number 3. Use daily life sentence. Speak about what do you do every day. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. I go to work. I go to office. I watch YouTube video. Okay. These sentences are useful because you can use them every day. Rule number 4. Learn chunks are not just word. It means don't learn single words only. Learn complete phrase. For example, instead of learning only hungry, learn I am hungry, she is hungry, they are hungry. Instead of learning late, learn I am running late. Instead of learning agree, learn I agree with your opinion, I agree with you. When you learn phrase, speaking becomes such easier. Rule number 5. Speak every day without fear. Many learners know the rule but never practice. Remember, you don't become fluent by reading. You become fluent by speaking every day. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your surrounding. Describe your day. Speak in front of mirror. Describe your kitchen. Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake teach you something new. So remember these 5 simple rules. Number 1, start with simple sentence. Learn basic sentence pattern. Use daily life sentence. Learn phrase instead of single words. And speak every day without fear. If you follow these rules for just 20 minutes every day, you will soon notice that making English sentence become easy and natural. Remember this, don't try to speak perfect English. Try to speak English every day. That is the real secret to fluency. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. And also comment below, I will make English sentence every day. So don't forget to practice English every day with small sentence. Because if you take small effort every day, then one day you will get big result. So my friend, I have taught you 5 simple rule. Okay, how you can make sentence with single word. I hope you have understood perfectly. And now I'm going to end this video, and we will meet in next video. Till then, take care and keep learning, keep practicing.